Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on TCL 501. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open, then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad, then click allow, and now you can click on this button to start your VPN and then click on OK. Then click consent, and you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.